Hi, I'm Elisa and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be comparing my 3 ventilated summer jackets for motorcycle riding. We've got the Rev'it Eclipse version 1, men's, the Knox Urbane Pro Mark 1, also men's, and the Bowtex Elite version 2, ladies. I'm not sponsored by anyone and I've not been asked to make this video. All of these jackets I have paid for myself, and that's what credit cards are for, right? Why did I buy the men's versions? Well, because they were cheap. And as they say, buy cheap, buy twice, or in this case, buy 3 times. Just so you know, ladies' versions of these jackets are available. The Rev'it Eclipse version 1 is CE rated A. It's really well ventilated and has 3 decent sized pockets. 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside. It's comfortable to wear and can be adjusted in the arms and the waist. It comes with CE level 1 shoulder and elbow pads, but it does not come with a back protector. You'll have to buy that separately. The jacket can be connected to your belt, and out of the 3 jackets, it has the best solution to this, as it makes it easier to disconnect and reconnect when you pop to the loo. Although the Rev'it Eclipse jacket works well, I stopped using it after a while because it's the men's version, and the elbow pads just didn't stay in place, as my arms are a lot thinner than the average man. I paid 50 quid for a second-hand one, but you can find the brand new version 2 for about 140 quid. Probably even less if you shop around. So then I went out and got myself the Knox Urbane Pro Mark 1, also men's. You'd think I would have learnt my lesson by then, but no, sadly I did not. The Urbane Pro Mark 1 is also CE rated A. The Mark 2 and 3 are rated AA. It's a really well ventilated jacket and has 4 pockets, 1 on the chest, 2 inside and 1 on the back. The one on the back is quite large and can fit quite a few items in there, whereas the one on the chest you can just about fit my phone. And the 2 inside don't have zips and are quite small. There is a Velcro strip on the inside to allow you to add a chest protector, but this is sold separately. The jacket can be connected to your belt, but it's a complete pain in the butt when you need to go to the loo, as you have to unthread your belt from it. I didn't have the same issue with the arms with this jacket as I had with the Eclipse, but I do find that it's quite tight around my hips and my chest due to it being a men's jacket, but that's totally my fault. The shoulder and elbow pads are CE level 1 and the back protector is a CE level 2. The back protector is massive and it covers the back really well, but it does mean that the jacket is rather heavy as a result. I don't particularly find the Urbane Pro comfortable to wear. The material feels scratchy against my skin, so I tend to wear it with a long-sleeved shirt. I've not tried the newer versions to see if this is still the case. It's also difficult to put on and take off. I paid 65 quid for a brand new one with tags, but you can find a brand new Mark III for about 260 quid, or maybe even less if you shop around. And the Mark II you'll probably find for a lot cheaper. So this year I decided to upgrade my setup and get the Bowtex Elite version 2 ladies jacket. This jacket has just come out and has set me back by £369.99. Thank you, credit card. Luckily, we've just had a mini heat wave here in London, so I've been able to test this jacket out in temperatures as high as 29 degrees Celsius. The Elite is CE AAA rated, which is the highest that you can get. It's super ventilated, but it only has 1 pocket, and the version 1 has no pockets, which is the reason why I decided to go with the version 2 rather than save money and have no pockets. What I don't understand is why. Why would you not have pockets? It's annoying, but at least I can fit my phone into it. As far as my house keys go, other than that, I just can't get over how much I love this jacket. Right off the bat, it's so comfortable to wear. It feels soft against my skin. I can easily move around. It just feels like a premium product. The shoulder and elbow pads stay in place and are CE level 2 rated. They are soft and conform to my body shape. Now, unfortunately, the Elite does not come with a back protector, so you have to buy it separately. It also has 2 pockets for chest armor, which again are sold separately. The jacket unfortunately has the same belt connection system as the Knox Urbane Pro. In other words, it's a complete pain to use. All of these jackets can be used throughout the year just by layering them with warmer or waterproof jackets. You can also just wear them with your everyday clothing. You look good and be protected at the same time. They are all machine washable. Just make sure you remove the armor before putting them in the machine. I am so impressed with the Bowtex Elite jacket that I am seriously considering buying the leggings as well. The level of protection is just insane. And with the Elite, you can wear it year round and look good at the same time. The jacket folds up really small and can be easily transported, which will come in handy when I travel by plane to ride in other countries. Motorcycle safety gear does not have to be bulky and unflattering. What Bowtex have achieved is just short of a miracle. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a Bowtex Elite jacket. No, not this one. This one's mine. Get your